Hello. Well, today we're going to be checking how altering the wheel size in the display affects the actual speed that is shown. Now this bike comes with 20-inch wheels, but in the settings it's set at 24. That's how it's come from the factory. And I did inquire with them because I initially thought, well, that's wrong. 20-inch wheels, it should be set at 20. Anyway, they assured me that yeah, 24 is correct. But I have a feeling that's not quite right. So we're going to be adjusting them slightly, the size of the wheel, to see if we can get a more accurate reading between the two. I'm going to be using the app on the phone, which, to be honest, I've got a couple and I find them a little bit hit and miss. I don't really think they're that stable, but we'll see. So the first run will go at the factory setting of 24-inch. Now you'd think this bike's got 20-inch wheels, so you think the setting would be 20-inch, but no, it's 24. As like I say, when I inquired, they said you got to take into account the size of the tyre, which I suppose sort of makes sense. Anyway, let's give it a run at the factory settings and see how it compares. So that's it, set at the factory setting of 24-inch. And you can see we've got a display reading of 23.5, 23.24, and the phone app a little bit fluctuating, but at 21, 22. So we're going to have to change the wheel size and see if we can get them more in line with each other. Okay, and now set at 23.5. And we're still running a little bit faster than the phone app. That's saying we're doing 19, and that's 22. I think we're going to have to change it a bit more. Okay, we're set at 23 inches and yeah, we're about a mile an hour out at that. So I'm going to bring it down a bit further. Right, that is at 22.5 inch wheel, and that is close. That is close, that is. Okay, I think we might just about have it now. With the wheel size set at 22, I think we're getting a pretty accurate reading. I think we're going to leave it at that. Like I say, these apps seem a little bit unstable at times, but it's close, that one is. Anyway, there we have it. it seems to be that set at 23 is the closest we're going to get. I'm not saying this is the setting that will work with all 20-inch bikes. I think a lot depends on the controller and the display, but yeah, it works with the Engwe. Give it a try. It's nothing to lose. You can always alter it back. Yeah, you can try it with some different apps. I mean, I've used 2 different ones, yeah, and they both fluctuate a little bit, so I don't know. It's a bit of trial and error. Anyway, hope that's been of some help to you, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.